find a comfortable position, either sitting down or lying down. Close your eyes. Begin by taking a nice, big, deep breath in. I'm going to guide you through bringing awareness to certain parts of your body. Starting at your feet, tense the muscles gently. Hold them for a moment, and then release. You should feel the tension melting away once you release the muscles. Now focus on your calves. Tense the muscles, hold, and release. Now focus on your knees and thighs. Tense this part of your body and release. Your hips and glutes, tense them up and release. Focusing on your abdomen, tense up your stomach, tense all the muscles. Hold it and release. Focus on your chest and shoulders. Tense up this upper part of your torso and release. Now your arms and hands. Tense them up. Hold that tension for a moment and release. Now focusing on your neck. Tense it up and release. Finally, your face. Tense every part of your face, your jaw, your lips, your brow. Hold it and release. Imagine any lingering tension flowing out and away from you, leaving behind only a sense of deep peace and restfulness. Allow yourself to spend a few moments in this relaxed state, still breathing deeply. Now bring your attention back to your surroundings. Listen to any sounds around you. Pay attention to the surface you're sitting or lying on, how you feel in that place. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Take in this feeling of groundedness and relaxation, feeling refreshed, fully at ease.